Hey guys, it's me doing an unboxing for the Platinum Plus FlexPod Gripper by SunPak. Got it today at Best Buy and thought I'd do a quick unboxing because my old tripod broke, which is actually why I'm using my iSight camera instead of my Mino HD. So let's get to the unboxing. Here's the front, here's the back, all the things you can do with it. You can twist it so it's a flexible tripod, so you can get it around poles, trees, branches, and all that. And it's really cool. Okay, so this is hard plastic, so I may need a minute to get through it. There we go. And so here's the tripod itself. It's really sturdy, in my opinion, right now. So what you do is you just bend it all out, so that way you can adjust the legs however you want. You can stretch it and bend it, and then it has little feet, so you can just set it up like there, and it stands up. And it's pretty wobble resistant, so you don't have to worry about that. Has a adjusting head, so that way, something cool is you can actually turn it, so that way you can adjust the camera while it's mounted. And then you can tighten it back up again, and then even twist these around, and then just hang it on whatever you want. And they'll actually let me get back the rest of the box. These little things, which I have no idea what they are, but I thought they were covers, but I guess they aren't. They're just little pieces of paper for it to wrap around. Let me get rid of that. Then some info, manual, how to use it, and some warranty. Anyway, that'll be it. Be sure to subscribe, comment, rate, and I'll catch you in the next video.